What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to share with you how I made $150 today day trading UGAZ. So let's hop right into it, guys. As you can see right here, I'm in my Think or Swim platform, and this is what I use personally to analyze all the stocks that I trade. And I really recommend it to anybody out there that's new to the stock market and looking to get into it and learn how trading works, investing works. I highly recommend you get this particular platform. So let's hop right into the video. Like I said, I day traded UGAZ today for 150 bucks, and I just wanted to show you guys the pattern, the particular pattern that I saw with UGAZ and how I capitalized on it. So for those of you guys that are new, UGAZ is actually an ETF. It's a gas-based, natural gas-based ETF, and it trades based on natural gas, obviously. So whenever natural gas does well, UGAZ does well as well, and whenever natural gas does poorly, UGAZ goes down in price. So UGAZ is an inverse of DGAZ, right? And personally, I think UGAZ offers great potential right now as a swing trade and as a day trade. But I want to show you guys how I day traded it today. So if we hop into the UGAZ chart, we can go closely right here to about the 10-day, 30-minute candlesticks, and we can see this particular pattern of it topping out at about $59 and having support levels at about $55. And this is the particular pattern that I saw, right? And I was able to capitalize on this one. So for me, the particular trade that I made, I got in at about $56.50 today with about $3,000, right? And $3,000, and I gained about 4.6% to the selling point of about $58.75. So let's hop into the one-day chart right here so I can show you guys closer where I bought and where I sold. So I bought in right around $56.80 roughly, right? I waited until this sell-off right here because there's always usually a sell-off in the mornings with these particular ETFs. Not always, but when there's a sell-off and natural gas itself is doing well, that's a good sign because we see a sell-off, and that's a good buying opportunity because the commodity itself is still doing well. Like I said, guys, let's look quickly to this natural gas right here. We see that the commodity itself was at $2.65, and we can see this was at 8 a.m. If you look at the top right here, you can see the times, right? This was at 8:38 a.m., and this is pre-market hours. And from 265, we saw it shoot up to $2.70, and this is 9/11. So that happened in about 30 minutes. It shot up 5 cents, the natural gas price itself. So that's a good sign for UGAZ. So as I was paying attention to UGAZ, we saw market open. It was kind of consolidating a little bit for the first hour of the market open. And then we saw a huge spike up to 59.84. And then we saw it fall all the way down to 56.17. And this is the sell-off that I was talking about. I was waiting for this particular sell-off. And we saw a nice little uptrend start to form right here, right? And once it broke past that EMA line, once it was getting closer to that EMA line, that's when I actually bought in to UGAZ, and I wrote it from here, right? Like I said, up to about $58.75, and that was the 4.5% profit that I made today day trading UGAZ. So it's all about these little intraday patterns that you guys have to take advantage of, right? If you see a sell-off and the commodity itself is doing well still, that's going to be a pretty good buying price in my personal opinion if you're trading these different ETFs. So if we go back to the 10-day chart to show you guys again this particular pattern, we see a clear support at $54, $55, and it's done this pattern that I traded a couple of times in the past week, right? We see pre-market hours, it rose up this day, right? It was leveled off for 2 days here. Then we saw the first drop. We saw a nice spike here, so that's one day trade opportunity, right? We saw another sell-off here. That's another day trade opportunity right here. Another sell-off right up here, boom, right? Then it went down again. So we saw 3 times that it bounced off this $54 support level, and I played that exact support to resistance, profit margin. So I wanted to share you guys this particular trade that I made today, and I want you guys to be able to understand these intraday patterns and how to capitalize on them, right? So if the commodity itself is doing well and you see a sell-off in the particular ETF, that's a good buying point in my opinion to hop in. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on this little update on how I made 150 bucks today day trading UGAZ. More videos like this coming soon, guys. I've been trading every single day, and I want to show you guys that it's very possible that you can trade and make money in the stock market consistently over the long term. So far, I've actually have not taken a loss yet so far in 2018, and I'm very, very proud of that, and I want to keep up this consistency, and I want to show you guys that it's possible too. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Push me to 300 subscribers, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it going. This channel has been growing very nicely, and I'm very, very happy about that, and I appreciate all the support that I'm getting from all you guys commenting and watching the videos. I really, 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 really appreciate it. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.